Hello students, so today we will also read phonics and spelling book. So come to your book page number 45. There we will learn some new sounds like LP, MP, RP and SP. So the words having these phonemes at the end, we will learn the pronunciation of this. So blend the phonemes to read the words in the rockets. Write the words in the spaceships so that they rhyme. Suppose think the space in the spaceship the sounds are written. Suppose I am drawing one spaceship. That is similarly like this. Okay, so in the spaceship there is the sound is given ELP. Now in the rockets there are so many words surrounded. There's so many words scattered in the book. You have to pick the words. Those are having ELP at the end. The middle phonemes would be E and the end phonemes would be LP. Now the words, let's find this. One would be help and another would be L, Y-E-L-P. So just look at this E-L-P. These sounds are common now. E-L-P sound. So similarly, there is also U-M-P sound. Okay, I am not writing. I am not drawing the spaceship again. So just understand U-M-P. So find the words. One will be thumb. T-H-U-M-P, thumb, and another will be slum. Now come to the word. Okay, it's stump. Okay, S-T-U-M-P, stump. Now come to the next space. What is I-S-P? I-S-P. ISP. Now find the words which are having ISP. That is crisp and wisp. C-R-I-S-P. Crisp and wisp. W-I-S-P. Wisp. Now there is one more that is A-M-P. A-M-P. One is lamb. L-A-M-P, lamb. And another is cam. C-A-M-P. In the last spaceship, there is the phonemes A-R-P. A-R-P. One would be S-H-R-P, sharp, and another would be H-A-R-P, hard. So now, although I have done the work which you are asked to do in your book, now just look at this LP. Okay, so last would be LP. What is the word? Like help. H-E-L-P. Look at the pronunciation. Help. Then MP. C-A-M-P. Cam. C-H-A-M-P. Cham. So these are the words ends with LP and MP. Now come to RP. H-A-R-P, hard. So hard. Then also there is one word which is sharp. S-H-A-R-P, sharp. Now come to SP word. Crisp. Crisp. pronunciation would be crisp. Just focus on the pronunciation, crisp. So you have to pronounce these things like this, which I have told you. Now turn the next page and come to page number 46. So there are several rockets, okay? Several rockets are there. Now what you have to do, you have to match the rockets in your book. And what words you have to find? The words that end in CT, FT, LT, NT, RT, ST. Now the rockets, in the rockets, the words are end in these phonemes. Okay. What you have to do, you have to match the rockets. Suppose I am drawing one rockets, and I am also writing the words. Suppose first one is insect. 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 What you have to do, you have to find a word which is having CT in it. So I have found a word which is having CT. What is that? What is that, student? ACT, act. Just look at this. ACT and insect. CT, common. Okay. Now we will not draw the pictures, but we will write the words only. Insect, act. Next is belt. BELT, belt, and MELT, melt. So LT. These phonemes are already found. Now come to FT. LEFT, left. And another one is RAFT, raft. These are not rhyming words. Student, listen to me, children. These are not rhyming words. These are the similar end phonemes. Okay. Now next is smart. 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 RT. We have to find the word like RT. CART. Cart. Okay. Now next is TENT. 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 And ANT. Ant. I am repeating it again that these are not rhyming words. These are the similar end phonemes, the common end phonemes. Okay. Now the last one is LAST, last, and FIST, feast. Just look at this. ST, common. These are not rhyming words. If this would be like rhyming words, last, fast, then cast, these are rhyming words when the middle phoneme and the end phoneme are similar. But here we are matching only the end phoneme. So no more today, students. I will upload all the answers in your WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a very good day.